Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the iMagic Professionals Cosmetic Blush On Palette, which looks like this. And this palette is getting so popular right now because all the makeup artists have good review about this palette, and this palette looks so pretty that it attracted me so much. And finally I have got this palette and I'm absolutely loving it so far. It is so pigmented, so long lasting. I will also be swatching all these shades and will be applying these on my face as well to show you guys the difference between all of these colors. So this blush palette retails for 1500 rupees and you can easily get it from Amazon, Flipkart, but I would suggest you guys to buy this palette from iMagic Cosmetics, or you can also buy it from Cuffs and Lashes. I got it from Cuffs and Lashes and they sell 100% authentic product. So I would not recommend you guys buying from Flipkart or Amazon because I'm not sure if they are original or not. You can also buy this palette from an Instagram page which is called Lazy Cosmo Hub. They sell 100% authentic international brands and they also keep on running some or the other offers, so you can even buy from them. So it comes in like this type of package and it's a cardboard packaging, and it is not so heavy, like pretty lightweight, and they provide 6 different blush shades: pink, corals, reds, brown undertones, even a kind of lavender tone as well. And look at the quantity. I mean, these blushes are gonna last like forever, no matter how much you're gonna use it, except if you are a professional makeup artist, then I think you can use more of them. It also comes with a mirror, so a really great deal again. So I'm gonna try these blushes one by one and show you guys the difference between all of these blushes. So we'll start with the application of these blushes, but before that, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed it already, please consider subscribing to my channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the swatches of these beautiful blushes. Okay, so I will be using a different set of blush brushes to show you all the 6 shades in this palette, because these shades are so pigmented that if you will use the same blush brush to use another color, it's gonna mix up and the true colors won't show up. That's why either I will use a different brush or I will just clean up that brush and then gonna use the next shade. So yes, let's dip in our brush to these blushes, and I'm gonna start with this color called Damsel. It's a really nice bright pink shade, and this color will suit almost all skin tones from fair to medium to deep complexion. It's a really nice bright pink shade, and let me warn you, whenever you're using these blushes, just dip your blush very little, very little amount, because it is so pigmented. To be honest, I have ruined my makeup so many times by just going straight from this pan directly to the cheeks. So whenever you are taking this blush, it is so pigmented that you have to just off the excess on your hand and then apply it on your cheeks. So a little warning that tap the excess at the back of your hand and then go on with on your cheeks. So let's go ahead now. So you can see how subtle this blush is. If you will apply the right quantity, this blush is gonna look so beautiful and it is so long lasting. So if you wanna just lift your face with the help of the blush, you can just stop over here. But if you wanna give a cute fuller cheeks look, then you can take it till the ample of your cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna stop till here, and you can see like how subtle this pink color is. And actually this is my favorite blush color in this palette. I just love this one and the coral color as well. So this was this first shade, and now let's go to the second shade, which is called Cheek. So it's a little bit dark than the previous one. And the other difference between all of these blushes and the first one is that this one has got a little bit of shimmery particles, and they're so tiny, they are not even like visible on my cheeks. So you don't have to be afraid of the shimmer particles. They are very tiny. They are actually not at all visible when you apply them on your cheek, but it gives a very satin dewy finish when you apply it. So don't be afraid of the little bit of shine in it. It looks absolutely natural and beautiful. And the second shade, Cheek, is a little bit darker, and this can be your everyday blush because it is so beautiful. And again, I'm gonna use the same blush brush. I've just cleaned it, so we can use this one again. So take very little, dust off the excess, and then apply it on your cheeks. So you can see like this one is a little bit darker than the previous one, and again it gives a very natural finish. I think there's a very minute difference between these two. First one has got like a little bit of sheen to it, but the second blush, which is called Cheek, which I just applied, is completely matte, and the color of these two are quite similar as well. So you can build the intensity if you want to. I like to keep my blushes in a subtle way like this, so I'm gonna stop right here. Now I am taking another brush from My Glam, and I'm gonna pick this shade called Sweet, which is a very nice coral shade. And I love coral blushes because they look so beautiful, especially in summers. All the colors in the first row especially makes your face look so fresh and nice. So this first row in this palette is most useful, I would say. So let's try this shade Sweet. Just taking very little. Okay, I hope you can see the color and you can see the difference between these two as well. So you can see it gives such a nice corally finish. Just love both of these. I mean, it's so hard to decide which one is better. Okay, going to the next shade, which is called Aromatic. So this is how this color looks like. It's a bit on the lavender side. Now the finish of this color is quite similar to this color called Cheek over here. So it's just that it's a little bit darker. So I'm using this Pro Art brush PF14, and I will be applying this shade Aromatic. So out of all the shades in this palette, I think this one is the least pigmented shade. Now when I say least pigmented, it doesn't mean that I have to like dig into the pan to take out the color. In comparison to like other shades, this one is a little bit less pigmented. So you can see it gives like a purplish pink finish, and which is like a little bit darker than previous shades. So if you're gonna go a little bit darker and deeper in terms of pink, you can definitely go on with this shade called Aromatic. My cheeks are looking so much overdone with the blush, so I will just use my sponge and make this one a little more subtle. Okay, so let's go on with the fourth shade, which is called Temper. So this is the color. It's not completely brown, it's not completely on the orange side, but this can work like a bronzer if you're of like fair to medium skin tone. So I won't be applying this one as a blush, but I will just apply a little bit of it like a contour and gonna show you the color. And you can see this shadow of the bronzing. So if I have to like be precise about this color, it's kind of a brick red color. So this can be a bronzing shade as well, but again it kind of gives a hint of like red in it. So if you are looking for a brown tone blush, I think this can definitely work. Now let's try the last blush, which is called Mature. It's kind of a red tone blush. Be careful while applying this blush. It is very pigmented, and if I have to compare the effect of this blush, it kind of gives the same effect as your Benefit Cheek Tint gives. I have the standard one, the red color, and it gives a same finish. It's just that it's very pigmented, while the Benefit Cheek Tint is liquidy and it is not super pigmented, but this is like very pigmented, like I said, like other blushes. So I'm using this powder brush from PAC. It is the 238 brush, and I'm just taking a little bit of it. Oh god, you can already see like how pigmented it is, so much of color. I have to just get rid of all of this color, otherwise my face will look like a monkey. You can see like so reddish. I'm applying a little bit more just to show you the color. Generally I don't apply this much of quantity when it comes to blushes, so you can see the red tone in it. Okay, so that was our final blush in this palette. Overall, like talking about this palette, it's like so beautiful. Like you saw, these colors are so pigmented. Makeup artists use this palette and they love it so much. And now that like I have got my hands on this, I'm so happy and satisfied that I got this palette. If you are thinking to invest in one blush palette, then it can be this one. So no need of giving a second thought. You can definitely go ahead and buy this palette. Alright, so that was my quick review on the iMagic blush palette. I hope you found my video helpful. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.